Hello, my dear students. Thank you for always viewing our video about mathematics. And last time we learned about weight, and this time we will learn how to compare weights. Are you ready? If you're ready, prepare your pencil and your book and let's do it. Okay, let's start now.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Okay, so this is the heaviest man in the world and the heaviest woman in the world. Her name is Carol. The heaviest man name is John. And the heaviest boy name, Arya. Wow. So don't forget these names, okay? When someone will ask you, who is the heaviest woman in the world? So what's her name? The heaviest woman is Carol. The heaviest boy in the world is Arya. Okay, so don't forget. So chapter 4, comparing weights, is our lesson for today. Okay, so time for a mark. So I hope everybody submitted their attendance. If you haven't, please fill up and submit your attendance form. Thank you. And my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 2 MEP class. Okay, so chapter 4, comparing weights. This is the book that we are using, the textbook, and this is the workbook that you have there. So now we are down already in chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. So if you haven't watched this, you can watch it on my YouTube channel. Just type Teacher Gwapo in YouTube. So now we are in weight, and in letter B, comparing weights. Okay, comparing weights. Okay, so here are the objectives that we have here: to measure and read weight using kilograms and kids. We need to know how to measure, and I know you do know it already by using the tools. And the second one, we must know how to compare. This is the objective that we will have this afternoon. And to solve word problems, that will be tomorrow. And of course, you must know how to apply knowledge or things that you have learned right now. So here, to compare weights in kilograms and kids. But before that, we need to have a review. What are the measuring tools? Okay, what are the measuring tools that we learned last time? Sorry. Let me drink water first. Okay, what is this? What measuring tool is this? Anyone from the class? Do you still remember this tool or weighing scale? What's the name of this weighing scale? Do you remember? Can you raise your hand? Raise your hand if you know the name of this weighing scale. You must know the name of this scale because it will come out in your final exam. We will have a test. Anyone who can answer, who can remember, what's the name of this weighing scale? Nobody? Lokchub. Yeah, Lokchub is raising her hand. Okay, Lokchub. Again, please.
Spring scale.
Okay, thank you, Lokchub. The name of this is dial spring scale, or spring scale is okay. So much better if you say dial spring scale. Thank you, YouTube. You got the correct answer. This is spring scale because it has a spring in here. That's why it's called spring scale. As you can see here, inside of this has a spring scale. Thank you, Lokchub. How about this? You can see it when you go to Tescalotos or in Big C. Anyone? Okay, Oka. Maybe Oka knows the answer. Oka, do you know the answer? Oka. Oh, who can tell the answer? What's the name of this weighing scale? Anyone? Fourth? Do you know fourth? We can ask fourth or base. Hi, base. What's the name of this weighing scale? This weighing scale is digital grocery scale. You can find it when you go to Tescalotos. You can see this one. How about this? It's very easy. It's very easy. What is this? What weighing scale is this? Anyone? Prim? Okay, Prim. This is, it is used to measure the
Body.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Body scale. Okay. Body scale, because we use this to weigh our body. Next, this one. It is, okay, Sukjang.
Baby scale.
Baby scale, or we say digital baby scale is correct. Baby scale is okay, that's correct. But much better if say digital baby scale, because it is digital. As you can see, it will just appear, the number will just appear in here. So we call it digital. How about this one? How about this? This is balancing scale. Okay, don't forget balancing scale. How about this? This is called electronic scale. Okay, electronic scale. So don't forget. How about this? Number 7. It is bench scale. It is used to measure the weight of heavy objects like a bag of rice, okay, a sack of corn. Okay, here, what is this? It is used to measure the weight of animals like horses and cows. It is platform scale. And the last one, very common. What is this? What is this? Anyone from the class? Anyone from the class?
Weighbridge.
Weighbridge. Let's see. It's correct. Okay, this is a weighbridge. Thank you so much. So we have 9.
What is it?
This is we have 9 weighing scale. Okay, so weighbridge is the last one. So it is used to measure the weight of trucks, cars, or any vehicles. Okay, thank you. Good job. Now here we will learn about kilograms, kids, and grams. So we will convert 1 kilograms is equals to how many kids and grams. So you learn this in Thai subject, I think. So we will just have a review. So 1 kilogram is equals to 10 kids. Okay, 10 kids. And always remember, kids we only use here in Thailand. In other countries, they use hectograms. Okay, so 1 kilograms or 1 kilogram, this, there must no S in here. 1 kilogram only, no S. So 1 kilogram is equals to 10 kids. Okay, or 1,000 grams. So 1,000 grams, or let's say 100 grams is equals to 1 kid. So don't forget, 100 grams, 1 kid, or 1 kid is equals to 100 grams. We can change only. Okay, now here we use kilograms in heavy objects. Okay, we use kilograms in heavy objects like Sukjang. Sukjang is 20. How many kilograms is Sukjang? Sukjang, how many kilograms? What is your weight?
129.
129 kilograms?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Let me think.
Maybe 129 centimeter, not kilograms.
Oh, 85.
Namnak. Kilograms means namnak. Huh? How much is your weight?
Oh, 85.
Thank you. Okay, try to go to use a body scale and try to weigh again. Okay, thank you, Zubjang. How about Lukchub? How much is your weight, Lukchub?
31.
31. How about Alinta?
Just 22 because I am so skinny.
Okay, 22. Okay, how about Punada?
21.
21. Same with Alinta. How about Ingfa? How many kilograms?
42.
42. Okay, that's good. How about Tabtim?
38.
38. How about Uka? How many kilograms? Alex, how many kilograms is Alex?
22.
22. How about base?
42.
How about try? How many kilograms is try?
26.
26. Yipon?
31.
31. Sure? How about Nadon? How about
35.
again, please? Okay, okay. Ann, how about Ann?
23, teacher.
Okay, 23. Very good. How about Primpicha?
30.
30. Okay, how about VY? How many kilograms is VY? Ferrari, how many kilograms is Ferrari?
17.
17. Okay. How about PK? How many kilograms is PK?
42.
42. Wow, 42. How about Logel?
Is the 30,
30.
30.
33. Okay, thank you. I want to ask all of you, but we still don't have time. So we use kilograms in weighing heavy objects, and we use kids or grams in light objects, just like a pencil, like a can of cola, a notebook. So light objects, we use kids or grams. Now here, in page 52 in your book, let's try to look at here what we use when we weigh these objects. Okay, when we weigh these objects. Now here, letter A. Example here, a sack of rice is measured in kilograms. How about a bag of fruits? We use it in we use in kilograms. Okay, we weigh in kilograms. How about a packet of salt? Salt is only a small amount, so a packet of salt is in kids. Okay, kids. How about a bag of wheat? Okay, a bag of wheat is measured in kilograms. Okay, kilograms. A cake, a piece of cake. Some cake, maybe we say a piece of cake, we use kids, but some cakes are big, so we use kilograms. So we can say here in letter D, kilograms or kids. Okay, kilograms or kids, because sometimes some cakes are big. So if the cake is big, we use kilogram. We measured in kilograms. But if a slice of cake, we use kids. Okay, if small amount of cake, so we use kids. But if big cake, a whole cake, so we use kilograms. Letter E, an ice cream. Okay, kids only, kid. Okay, ice cream cone, so kids. But if you go to macro, one box of ice cream is very big, so maybe it's 3 kilograms, so we use kilograms. Okay, so but most of the ice cream is in kid size. Letter F, a packet of pepper is measured in kids. Pepper is in kids. Okay, pepper is in kids. How about a packet of cookies? Cookies, what do we use? Grape. We measured in?
What dish?
Oh,
What dish?
page 52. Page 52.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So here, 10. How about 10? 10, when we measure the weight of a packet of cookies, what do we use? Kid, or we measured in kid, or we measured in kilograms? Letter G. Packet of cookies. A packet of cookies. Not a bundle of cookies. No, a packet of cookies only. We use in kid or in kilogram. A packet of cookies, that's small amount, a small size. If small size, we use kids. Okay. If small packet. Okay. If big, we say a box of cookies, so we use kilograms. Letter H, a chocolate bar. A bar is just only a small size. We say bar. We cannot see a bar like this. No, it's very huge. So we use only a small. We say bar when we go to Tisco Lotus. We see only a small size, right? So we measured in kids or hectograms or in grams. Okay. Everybody, maybe you're finished. Pencils up. And let's try to answer on page 53. Here we go. Let us read and write the weights in kilograms, okay? Now, as you can see here, it's very easy because you can see a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the hand is pointing to number 4. So the answer here is 4 kilograms. How about the fish? How about the fish? How many kilograms? What is the weight of the fish? Alenta, do you know the weight of the fish here? So that when you go to the supermarket, you can help your mom. Okay, mom, the weight of the fish is 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram. Now, Alenta.
Teacher, it is 2 kilograms.
Okay, because it's pointing to number 2. Thank you, Alenta. So the answer here is 2 kilograms. Thank you. How about in letter B? 10. Letter B. How many kilograms?
3 kilograms.
3 kilograms. Thank you. Kanya Pat. How many kilograms? It's letter C. Hello, Kanya Pat. Uh-oh. Okay, Otto. How many kilograms? Letter C. The chicken, dressed chicken.
3 kilograms.
3 kilograms. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Now let's proceed to page 54. Page 54. Bag of rice. How many kilograms? Bag of rice. How many kilograms? Tommy. Tommy. How many kilograms? Okay, 6 kilograms. Thank you, Tommy. Very good. How about letter E? Kanya Pat. How many kilograms?
Kilogram.
How many kilograms?
1.
1 kilogram. Okay, 1 kilogram. No S because it's only 1. Okay, so 1 kilogram here, 6 kilograms. Okay, now here in number 7 on page 54, we will measure, we will read and write the weights in kids. Okay, kids. So kids is a unit measurement of weight in Thailand. So 1 kid is equals to 100 grams. 1 kid. Okay, 1 kid, 100 grams. So here we go. Now look at here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 500 grams is equals to 5 kids. Okay. Now in letter A. Letter A. Let's try to answer letter A. Here, Alex. Alex, how many kid is the, what is it? In letter A, how many kids? Alex? 100 kid or 300 kid or 3 kids?
3 kids.
3 kids. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Now, letter B. Let's call on base. Letter B. How many kids?
4 kids.
Again?
4 kids.
4 kids is correct. Very good. Thank you. How about Ingfa? Ingfa. Letter C. How many kids?
2.
2 kids is correct. Very good. So letter A, I mean, letter B is 4 kids. Letter C is 2 kids. Now, letter D. Letter D. Let's call on Jada. Jada. Letter D. What is your answer in letter D?
Hello.
Again, please. How many kids? Jada, how many kids? We are now on page 55. Look at here. How many kids? Who can help Jada? Jada is traveling. So who can help Jada? Anyone from the class? Who can help? PK is raising his hand. Okay, PK, how many kids?
3.
Okay, 3 kids. Thank you. 3 kids. How about Botan? Letter E. How many kids, Botan? Okay, 6 kids. Thank you. Very good. Very good. So it's very easy, right? You just look at the hand. It's pointing to number 300. So 300 is 3 kids. So 100, 1 kid. 200, 2 kids. 300, 3 kids. So the answer here is 3 kids. Letter E. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 600 is equals to 6 kids. Okay. Now here, let us learn how to compare. Okay, how to compare numbers. Okay, page 56 and 57, comparing weights. Okay, now here we use the word light, heavy, lighter, lightest, heavier, heaviest. Okay, what is light? What is light in Thai? PK, what is light in Thai?
White.
Light, what is light in Thai? Thai word. Can you say it in Thai? The word light?
Bao.
Bao, very good. How about lighter? How about lighter? Oh, Kun, can you help Kun? Light means bao. How about lighter?
Lighter แปลว่าอะไรเบากว่าเบากว่า
Bao kwa. How about lightest?
เบาที่สุด
Bao tisot. How about heavy? Heavy.
หนัก
Again?
หนัก
Nak. How about heavier? Heavier.
หนักกว่า
Heaviest.
หนักที่สุด
Nak tisot. Okay. Nak tisot. Very good. Thank you. Now, don't forget these words because it will come out in your final test. Okay. So don't forget. You have to remember this word. Light, lighter, lightest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay. Bao, bao kwa, bao tisot. Nak, nakwa, nak tisot. Okay. Okay. Now, here. Sorry. Comparing weight in kilograms. Okay. So kilogram is a unit of measurement of weight, and it is bigger unit than kids if we compare, because 1 kilogram again is equals to 10 kids or 1,000 grams. This 1 kilogram no S. Okay. And here, let's say for example, the name of this boy is Chai. Yes, in English, Chai. Chai cup. Okay, yes. And this is Matt, teacher Matt. And this is Alan. Alan, this is Sanisa, and this is Intera. So Chai is 65 kilograms. Matt is 50 kilograms. Alan is 45 kilograms. So Nisa is 42 kilograms. Intira is 36 kilograms. Now question. Who is the heaviest? Heaviest. Who is the heaviest among the 5 kids? Who is the heaviest? Heaviest means na tisot. Heaviest. Who is the heaviest in the class? I mean, in here, in this five kids. Japan. Who is the heaviest among these 5? Who is the heaviest? Japan.
At what page?
You cannot see in your book. Just look at the screen. Who is the heaviest among them? Chai, Matt, Alan, Sanisa, or Intira?
Chai.
Chai. Yes. Chai. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Japan. And let's find here Perry. Perry. Who is the lightest? Who is the lightest among them? Who is the lightest? Sorry. Okay. Pertat. Pertat. Who is the lightest? Pertat. Chai, Matt, Alan, Sanisa, or Intira? Who is the lightest? Milene. Who is the lightest here, Milene? Lightest. Lightest, we have Bautisot. Bautisot, lightest. Who is the lightest? Who is the lightest? Again, please. Okay, Intra is the lightest because Intra is only 36 kilograms. Thank you, Milene and Berta. Thank you. Milene is in Kaukiao Zoo. Okay, have a safe trip, Milene. Okay, now here, as you can see in these photos, that Chai is the heaviest, Intira is the lightest. And if we will compare Alan and Intira, Alan is 45 kilograms, Intira is 36. So means Alan is heavier than Intira. Okay, Alan is heavier than Intira. Now letter D here, we can see that Sanisa, because Sanisa is 42 kilograms. So, and Matt is 50 kilograms. So Sanisa is lighter. Lighter. What is lighter in Thai? Anda, what is lighter in Thai? Anda? Anda, what is lighter in Thai? Or tanks? Tanks. What is lighter in Thai? Lighter. Like crap. What is lighter in Thai? Lighter means? Who can tell me? Lighter. Lighter means? Bao kwa. So Sanisa is lighter than Matt. Like crap. Sanisa is lighter than Matt. Sanisa. Okay, Sanisa, thank you, Milene. Okay, thank you. Now let's proceed here. Always remember when we compare weights that 1 kilogram is equal to 10 kids or 1,000 grams, right? So here, as you can see here in this object, the watermelon, okay, watermelon is 9 kids, right? So 9 kids. And the rest of the objects here, the cauliflower is 5 kids. The pineapple is 7 kids. The bitter gourd is 2 kids. So we can say that watermelon is the heaviest, not tisot, heaviest, okay? Because 9 kids. And the bitter gourd, okay, the bitter gourd is the lightest, Bautisot, lightest, okay? And if we will compare the the pineapple and the watermelon, we can say that pineapple is lighter than watermelon. Okay, lighter, bao. Pineapple is lighter than watermelon, and cauliflower is heavier than better gourd. Heavier nakwa. Okay, nakwa. Now here, do you know that the golden Buddha is the world's largest solid gold statue? Okay, don't forget this one, because it can be, we can see this in Thailand only here in Thailand. The golden Buddha is the world's largest solid gold statue, and it weighs 5.5 tons or 5,000 kilograms. It is in the temple of Wat Trimet in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so this is the heaviest. Okay, wow, the golden Buddha, the world's largest solid gold statue. So don't forget, when your friend will ask you, do you know the world's largest statue? So you can tell them, okay, my friend, you tell your friend, my friend, the world's largest solid gold statue is in Thailand, and it weighs 5,500 kilograms. Okay, 5,500 kilograms, and we can see it, or we can find it in Bangkok, Thailand, in Wat Trimet. So you can tell to your friends, okay, the world's largest solid gold statue. Okay, now get your book. Okay, get your workbook. Let's answer this one. Let's answer this. Now we will compare letter A. Okay, letter A. Let us compare here. Are you ready? Now in letter A, what is the heaviest? The blank is the heaviest. What is the heaviest here? What fruit? It's okay. The heaviest here is the jackfruit. Okay. Jackfruit is the heaviest. And what is the lightest? What is the lightest fruit? Lightest. Bautized. Lightest is pineapple. Pineapple is the lightest fruit. Okay, lightest fruit. Now, letter C. Letter C, we will compare the apples and mangoes. So the apples and mangoes. So apples is here, mangoes is here. How many kilograms is the apple? The apple is 4 kilograms. Mango is 5 kilograms. So 4 is blank than 5. 4 is lighter. So we write here lighter. The apple or apples are lighter than the mangoes. Okay, apples is lighter than the mangoes. Yeah. Okay, next here in letter D. Letter D. The blank is lighter than bananas. What is lighter than bananas? Anyone? On. What is lighter than bananas? What fruit? Lighter than bananas. This is the banana.
Pineapple.
Pineapple is correct. Very good. Good job. Thank you. And letter E. Teacher, the oranges are blank than pineapple. Heavier or lighter? Heavier or lighter? Nakwa o baokwa? Heavier or lighter? Oranges are blank than pineapple. Heavier or lighter? Heavier. Okay. Thank you. Heavier is correct. Thank you, teacher. Very good. So here are the answers. Letter A, the heaviest is the jackfruit. The lightest is the pineapple. And if we will compare the apples and mangoes, apple is lighter than mangoes. And if we compare the pineapple and bananas, pineapple is lighter. Oranges and pineapple, oranges is heavier. Okay, now here, 57. 57. Okay, ready? 57. What is the heaviest here? What is the heaviest? The heaviest is, raise your hand if you want to answer. Just raise your hand if you want to answer. What is the heaviest object here? What is the heaviest object here? Sokjang, okay, Sokjang.
Papaya.
Papaya. Papaya is correct. Papaya pokpok. Yes.
Yeah.
Papaya is the heaviest. And what is the lightest? What is the lightest? It's
The lightest
is
a tomato.
Yes, it looks like a tomato so much.
tomato is the lightest.
A light.
Are you sure?
So the one after the tomato.
What is it?
It's like a thing, like looks like
It's
a tomato, but
It's an
not.
eggplant. It's a used eggplant. Letter C. What's your answer? Letter C.
No eggplant.
What is it? It looks like an eggplant. Okay, let's say it's an eggplant. Okay, let's say for
It's
example, it's
not
an
an eggplant, teacher.
okay. Okay, next. Letter C. Lemons and loaf of bread. Lighter or heavier? Heavier. The lemons. What's the weight of the lemon here? Lemon is 500 grams. Loaf of bread is 400. So lemons are heavier. Okay. Thank you. Heavier. Nakwa. Heavier. Letter D. How about letter D? Let's say that this one is an eggplant, okay? So we say that it's an eggplant. Let's say, for example, it's an eggplant. Because the picture is not really clear. Is it an eggplant? Okay, and letter E, the last letter. Who can tell me the answer? Letter E. Lemon is blank or blank than tomato. Again? What's your answer?
Heavier, teacher. Heavier.
The lemons are heavier. Okay. The answer is okay. The answer here is heavier. Okay.
I don't feel right for the eggplant. It doesn't look like an eggplant.
It doesn't look like an eggplant. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and listening. God bless everyone. Enjoy your day. Okay. Bye-bye. See you. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay. Enjoy. Enjoy, Milin. Milin is in the zoo. Okay, take care, Milin, and everybody. Keep safe, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.